As a content creator, you know that your equipment can get quite big and heavy. In this video, we'll take a look at a compact carbon fiber tripod that can help you create your next masterpiece, no matter where you go. Meet the VideoGo Travel Video Tripod. It comes in a sleek, convenient carrying case for added protection and water resistance. The case is easy to carry with its handle or removable shoulder strap, making it perfect for those on the go. Now let's take a look inside. The tripod is made from a combination of carbon fiber and metals, providing a perfect balance of portability and strength. The buttons, handles and other components all have a solid build quality and feel premium to the touch. They are also appropriately sized, not too small, making them easy to reach and operate. Overall, the build quality is impressive. The tripod is capable of handling a significant amount of weight, supporting mirrorless cameras, lenses, teleprompters, or other gear you may want to attach. The hook allows you to hang a counterweight such as your backpack for even more stability. When it comes to height, the VideoGo tripod offers plenty of options. The carbon fiber legs have 5 extendable sections, which allow you to get your gear up quite high. The locking system, which uses levers, is precise, quick and easy to use, making it the best system in my opinion. You'll have your tripod set up at the desired height in no time. If you need to go even higher, you can loosen the knob in the center and adjust the height of the center column. But that's not all. You can also remove it altogether and adjust the angle of the legs, allowing you to get closer to the ground. Alternatively, you can attach the center column upside down to get even lower to the ground shots. Quite flexible. The bottom of the tripod legs are equipped with rubber feet, which provide friction and stability. And if you're on an outdoor adventure, you can replace them with the included metal spikes. Moving on to the top of the tripod, we find the ball head and the fluid head, offering the best of both worlds. The metal build feels sturdy and secure. The ball head locks in place with a lever mechanism, which is very convenient to use when unlocking, adjusting the position and locking again, even in vertical shooting mode. Much easier than having to twist the knob like on other tripods. The fluid head is perfect for video shooters. With the knob on the side, you can fine-tune the tension of the tilt axis. The smaller knob unlocks 360-degree rotation, complete with degree indicators all around. And the built-in level makes it easy to set up on uneven terrain. The handle controls the movement of the tilt and pan axis, making it easy to achieve fluent camera movement and smooth footage. Perfect for those slow-moving panning shots. You can also customize the handle's angle to your preference. But that's not all. The handle can be detached and transformed into a multifunction wrench. The bottom compartment contains various endings, which can be attached to tighten or loosen any screw on the tripod. Now let's discuss the plate options available for the VideoGo tripod. The Arca Swiss version, which I have here, is compatible with a wide range of accessories. Simply attach the included base plate to the bottom of your camera and place it on top of the base. Then turn the knob on the side to lock the plate into position. Easy, right? But what if you've already invested in another quick release system? Then we got you covered too. Apart from Arca Swiss, we also have built-in Claw and Falcam F38 versions of this tripod available. Let us know in the comments which version you prefer. So if you're in the market for a new tripod, definitely take a look at the Ulanzi VideoGo tripod. It's lightweight, durable and easy to use. A great option for your next video project. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest Ulanzi news. See you soon.